Welcome Protonians. Today I will do a walkthrough on how to open up and replace all the tail lights on the Proton Satria Neo CPS. First off, the tools that you may need. 1. A small wrench. 2. Socket 10. 3. An extension. 4. A Phillips screwdriver. Let's dive straight in by taking the tail light apart. The first step would be to open the boot of your car. We take the wrench and unscrew the two visible bolts holding the tail light unit. For the second step, you want to undo the trim cover on the inside of the boot, simply by pulling back the tab on the plastic cover. Inside you will find a plastic nut-like retainer. Unscrew this, like you would with any regular nut or screw. Now the unit will slide out easily. To take the bulbs out, simply turn the light fittings anti-clockwise to take them out. For the light bulbs, gently push down and rotate. These are spring-loaded and will release upon doing so. After replacing the necessary bulbs, check if the pins on the light unit are intact and slide it back into the body. Putting the screws and plastic nut back. Now for the license plate lights, we need to undo 4 screws. To take off the boot handle which houses the license plate units. The units are held by 2 screws each. Both units have a small rubber seal to keep water and dirt out. When the license plate units are out, simply turn the fittings to take the bulb out. Reinstall the fittings and units. Make sure that the rubber seal is not damaged. Replace or repair with some silicone if necessary. After installing the units, put the trim/handle back on and screw back the 4 screws. Be careful not to apply too much force when tightening them. Make sure the handle is on properly without any play on it. For our final light replacement, we go back to the inside of the boot. The final light we will be replacing is the third brake light. Undo the 2 screws holding the brake light cover. This will uncover the brake light unit, which is held by another 2 smaller screws. And a little wire connector which can be taken out to make the job a bit easier. Undo the 2 smaller screws to open up the gallery that holds the small brake light bulbs. And press the 2 clips at the back inward to release the gallery. These lights can be replaced individually, however it's easier to just replace them all at once, for peace of mind. Unless only 1 or 2 are broken. After replacing the bulbs, simply clip the brake light cover back onto the gallery and screw everything back up. Thanks for watching.